Alright, so today we are going to start tearing down the GoKart that happens to have a CBR600RR engine on it. It is fuel injected, comes with the ECU, everything is there. The bike was running before, but it got rolled over, it lost the gas tank, the radiator came off. That's what all this, radiator plumbing, this was a temporary fix to the fuel system to get it home. So I'm going to start tearing it down today, getting rid of rust, taking the cage off. We're going to try to clean this thing up as much as possible. It's going to get rhino lined, and hopefully it will be looking pretty good. Seats need to be repaired. The master cylinder is all broken and blown out. That's going to have to be replaced. It does have a clutch, has a brake, has a gas pedal. It's got a shifter for the transmission. It works. Here, we'll click it in. Clicked into gear. Suspension works. It's got plenty of travel. So, yeah, let's dig into it. Alright, so look at the back of this thing. Not only is it falling apart, I just frickin' swept. It's a mess again. Some extra crap that's laying around. We're gonna clean this out, vacuum it out here in just a few minutes. But that's a good start. Look at this shoddy weld. Look at this. This is ridiculous. But whatever. All of it will be fixed. Yeah. Good cleaning, good paint. Should be quick and easy. Nice little steering wheel. We're gonna see if we can try to get a dash here from the out of the CBR. Let's see if we can figure out how to run the dash up here. I feel like that would be really cool. Maybe put it right here with a little starter button. I'm gonna try to extend this down a little bit down here. Build like a little bracket, and then I want to put a light bar, that kind of stuff on there. So you could put like toggle switches, or depending on how balls out we go, we can get like some press button on off switches instead of the toggle red trigger switches. Maybe move the key, get this whole crappy thing on here. I don't know what the hell this is. Get all this out of here. Yeah, this is gonna be a fun little project.